Alright, in this video we're doing transitive class 1 verbs still. We're covering the present tense. In this video I'm covering some other grammar. So as far as cases, what is it? A case is basically when you're taking a word and you change it so that it gives that word a different function. Okay, so for these types of verbs, this is what you need to remember. You need to remember that the subject is in nominative and the object is in dative. Okay? And why is this important? So I'll give you an example here. So here we have Gio chams purs. And so here Gio is in nominative. Chams is he or she eats. Purs is bread in dative case. So it means Gio is eating bread. Now if we change that around a little bit by changing the cases, we can say Gios chams puri. Here Gio is in dative, which makes him the object. Chams, he or she eats. And puri, which is in nominative, which is the subject, it is now the bread is eating Gio. So that's why it's really important to get your cases right so that you get the right meaning across. Okay. How to change to dative: generally, if there's an E in the word, you drop the E and you add S. If there's no E, you just add S. Okay. So here's a list of some of the vocab words from the previous examples and in this lesson so that you have those words and you can see both nominative and dative so that you can use them with these sentences. So, or the sentences that I covered in the last video, the examples. So we have ra, ras. So ra is in nominative. So the first one is always going to be nominative. The second one will be in dative. That means what? Second one, sachmeli, sachmels. Puri, purs. Chortsi, chorts. Bevri, bevs. America, amerikashi. So note here, I just have America in nominative. You don't really need a dative. What's probably more applicable is knowing that amerikashi, the she makes it in. So in America, that will be useful for you. Next, we have Gio, which is a name. So Gio, Gios. Sairtod, Sad. So both Sairtod and Sad, and these, there's no dative, so you don't need to worry about that. Ar, Ara. Okay? So those are the vocab words, and that wraps up the grammar for this, this part of the series.